to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys today. I know with everything going on in the world, it can be kind of hectic. Your anxiety is all over the place and you're probably stressed out and worried, but it's going to be okay, because you know what, we're going to get through this, and we're going to get through this together, okay? So with that being said, I know it's been a shortage of like different essential stuff that you may need. So today in this video, I am going to show you guys how to make hand sanitizer, like something that you probably already have in your house already. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I'm going to start off with my alcohol, and you want, gotta open it up. You want 2/3 cups of alcohol. So let's see, 2/3 cups. So I'm gonna put my alcohol in there. Next, you want 1/3 cup of your aloe gel, which it didn't have a seal on it, so I'll just pour 1/3 cup in here. Okay. And with, place this down, with the coconut oil, because this is, I got this from the local herb store here. So this is organic virgin coconut oil, like the real deal. So as you can see, this can be used internal and external. So you can use it for the body, the skin, and you also can cook with it. As you can see, it's hard, it's solid. So what I did was, yeah, this was $12 a bottle. What I did was I just put a tablespoon of it in the microwave, and this is it. So I'm just gonna pour it over in here. Just put it in the microwave just to get it liquefied. Next, with your essential oils, like I say, it depends on what kind of essential oils. I'm using tea tree oil. You can use whatever you want, whatever fragrance you prefer to use. I do suggest start in small batches with the essential oils, and that is because, you know, some people may have sensitive skin. So with that being said, you know, I say use your judgment when it comes to this. But I'm going to drop a couple of drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I dropped 6 drops of the essential oils in here, and I'm just going to give this a little stir without splashing it everywhere. And it's probably better if you use a whisk, but I just got a spatula. So, ooh, this alcohol is powerful, really, really strong. It's like taking my breath. So you just want to stir this up really well, which it looks like I have more alcohol than I have gel. So if that is the case, you just squeeze some more over in there. Uh-oh. There we go. Just squeeze it over in there. And I'm going to get a whisk, and I'm going to be back. Okay, so I'm back. I have a whisk. So I'm just gonna There we go. Whisk this bad boy together. It's getting that hand sanitizer texture to it. As you can see how it's sticking it up, why it was like really watery at first. So let's see if I can show you guys. So how I was worried, how it's sticking it up like hand sanitizer. So that's it. So if it is too watery for you, you just add more of the albino, however you pronounce it. You just add more of that. But I do suggest that you use a whisk versus using a spatula. So what I'm going to do now is just scrape the sides. And I'm going to take my bottles here that I got from Walmart, which I think 4 of them was like $3 and some change, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. And I'll just take my funnel, place it right over in there. And I'm going to try not to make a mess, but I'm going to throw this in there. So the funnel is almost full, but it's running a little slow in the bottle, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. See how it's just dripping in there? That's how you want your hand sanitizer to be. I mean, you can have it watery, but I guess it still does the same purpose, whether it's watery or thick, but I try to get it kind of a little thick. I don't want it too watery where it's like running out of your hand. So I'm just going to allow this to drip into the bottle because I see I can't rush. Alright, so hand sanitizer is not the idea to fight off any germs or viruses that's going on. It is a secondary. Hand washing is number one. So number one, hand sanitizer is optional when you don't have soap and water. So I suggest if you do have soap and water, then soap and water is the best way to kill any germs, especially with everything that's going on in the world right now. Soap and water is your best option. And this is my first bottle, so I'm just gonna put my label on the bottle. So this is my second bottle, and we're gonna try some on our hands in a minute. So we're just going to try some. So I hope you guys can see. So it comes out really good, and I can tell there's alcohol in it because I have a little cut on my hand and it burns. So I'm just spinning it dry. And I can tell that the coconut oil is in it. I can smell the tea tree oil. I can also smell the coconut oil just a little bit, but my hands are not dry and white looking from the alcohol. It actually has like a smooth lotion feel on my hands. So that is amazing. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Maybe I need to do like a before and after picture. But like, they are really smooth like I put lotion on versus hand sanitizer. So that is amazing. So I give it a thumbs up. So I don't know if I had told you how much coconut oil that I did use, which it was only a tablespoon of coconut oil in the hand sanitizer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY video of how to make hand sanitizer. As a reminder, once I stated before, this is a substitute for you if you're not able to get to soap and water. So with that being said, be safe. I love you guys. And to the next time and to the next video. Bye.